Good morning and welcome to Vlogcember day. Alright, so I clearly look a mess. I just washed my face and put moisturizer on. I threw my hair up. Today's gonna be a very self-care day for my mind, body, soul, and home. So I'm doing a lot of cleaning today. I wanna take care of myself. I want to work out. I wanna stretch. I want to do a face mask. I want to self-tan. I'm definitely a bit pale right now. And I want to clean up. So I want to do laundry. I want to do my towels, maybe my sheets if we have time. I hate doing 2 loads of laundry in one day. For some reason, I just don't like doing 2 loads, but like 1 load I could do. So we'll see how that goes. But I definitely want to do towels today, and maybe towels and rugs, like bath mats and my kitchen mat. So I want to do the dishes as well, and I just want to pick up and clean. I just feel like everything's a little bit cluttered, so that is my plan for today. I am not doing makeup. I am staying barefaced all day and just staying home. So I'm not going to go out. I'm not going to do any shopping today. Let's give it a rest. I'm going to do some Christmas shopping this weekend with Scott, so that should be a lot of fun. But I wanted to show you guys my wrapping because I ended yesterday's vlog with I wasn't loving my wrapping. Well, I redid it because I'm so indecisive, and I was just staring at the gifts and I was like, I hate them. So I redid some of them. So let me show you what I did. All right, so this is what it looks like underneath my tree. I feel like it looks a lot better. Still not perfected, but this is what I did with one of Lindsay's gifts. I think that looks really nice. I literally found these from outside. And then I just did ribbon, some more of that. Some of them are plain, some of them are a little bit more jazzed up. But yeah, I like the way they look a lot better. And I'm not gonna do it to every single one of them, but I think it looks real cute. So that is what I did. Also, I was contemplating giving this to one of my aunts. I really wasn't sure who to give this to, so I figured I would do a giveaway in this video because I don't need this. I use Fresh every single day, but I don't need this. So this is gonna be like a little surprise giveaway. So it's this Fresh set. I talked about it in my holiday gift guide. It goes for $65, but it's a $97 value. So if you guys wanna win this, I'll pick a winner tomorrow in my vlog for Vlogcember day 3. But if you guys want to win this, just make sure you're subscribed to my channel and then comment down below what you're looking forward to most in December. I know Christmas time and the holidays are a little bit different this year, but let me know what you are looking forward to the most and make sure you are subscribed. So it's a really good set. I use that every night, use this every day. I just wash my face with this. It's real good. Okay, I'm out of breath, so I'm gonna change into my leggings, drink some water, and then I'm gonna go for a walk with Teddy to start the day. All right, so it is 11:23. Teddy and I went on a long walk together. Actually, it wasn't that long because I've only been 3,000 steps today, but it was my first one of the day. I have not been doing 10,000 steps. I've been a bit more lazy, but I wanted to clean up this kitchen, so I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna do some stretches, and maybe like an arm workout. But this is the before of the kitchen. It's always like very cluttered. We have a very tiny kitchen, so I'm just gonna clean this up and make everything look real nice and empty and clean. So that is my next step of the day. It's a little bit later on. I did a stretching exercise for pregnancy, so that took like 20 minutes, and now I'm gonna take a shower and be super relaxing. I wanted to show you guys, I know it's a little bit dark in here, but I'm gonna light a candle. There's another light, but I don't want the vent on right now. But I ended up getting this acrylic shelf. It came with 2 off of Amazon, and Scott just hung up 1 for me because I feel like 2 might be a little bit too cluttered. And I have my Fresh skincare. I think it looks so nice, and it's just an easy way to like actually do skincare in front of the bathroom mirror. And then I also have been using this bio oil on my stomach. I use this twice a day, but I haven't put it on my stomach yet, and it's like 2 o'clock. So I'm gonna take a shower and load my stomach with this. So far I don't have any stretch marks, knock on wood, but I do have like a stretch mark area over my belly button ring where I had it pierced. So yeah, that's just like my skincare. Keeps me motivated to do my skincare every morning and night. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to exfoliate my body. So I'm going to use this Twisted Peppermint body scrub that I got for my birthday from Michaela. I'm actually almost out of this because I use it so often, but this stuff smells so good. So I'm going to use this. And then after I put that oil on, the bio oil, I put this over it. So this is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Stretch Mark Lotion. So I use this in combination with that, and it's been working really well. This is almost empty too, so I have to get another one of these. And then I wanted to show you guys something that I do to all of my sinks. Well, my kitchen sink and my bathroom one. And then also I do it in the shower. I put this essential oil. This is lemongrass, and I put this in all of the drains, and it smells so good. I actually got this idea from Sandals Resorts because their bathroom smelled like lemongrass, and I fell in love with it. So I just got this off of Amazon, and this is what I've been doing in the sinks, and it just smells so freaking good. So I'm gonna put this in the sink, I'm gonna light a candle and take a relaxing shower, exfoliate, and do a little self-care. Look at these storm clouds coming in. It's been such a weird day, super cold and windy here, but the storm clouds are coming in from over there. So I'm wondering if we're gonna get some rain tonight, some storms. I love a good storm. But I just cleaned the kitchen, so let me show you guys what I did. Sweets. Okay, so I cleaned the kitchen. It looks so much better. So this is what it looks like, nice and clean and spacious. Well, spacious for countertop space. I put the Nespresso pods. A couple of you asked me if I still like the Nespresso. I do. I just only like a couple of flavors, and it's a little bit more difficult to get the pods because you have to order online. You can't get them in the store, and you can't make hot chocolate with this Nespresso machine. So I decided to get the Keurig because I missed my Starbucks K-Cups, and this one does not taste like plastic, and also you can make hot chocolate with this. So we have both. It fits perfectly right here. And then the rest of the space just looks like this. I am burning a candle right now. I'm burning Frosted Coconut Snowball, which smells good. I love coconut scents. And then also I displayed some of my Starbucks cups right there. Let me know if you think it looks a little tacky, because I can't decide. I feel like they're so pretty, but I might have to take them down and just do like a couple of little trees. I don't know. I just feel like it's cute because they're really pretty, but I don't know if I want to put them there or somewhere else. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of that. And yeah, I'm happy that it is much cleaner in here. Okay, I just exfoliated my neck, so if it looks like I was strangled, that's why. I wasn't strangled, I just, you know, really got in there and deep scrubbed my neck. So that's why it's looking like this. I'm in my PJs. You know that scene from The Grinch when he's like, ooh, ah. I literally go in front of my mirror every single day and do that with my new stomach. I do that every single day because that's how I feel. I feel like I'm not going anywhere. Anyways, so the lighting's turning a little bit dark because, like I said, those storm clouds are coming in, but I wanted to decorate my tree with ornaments because I got these from Target and never decorated my tree. I put some ornaments, but I didn't put these round ones on. So I just want to stick to green. I'm not going to put the blue in. And maybe I'll do the bronzy color too. The green and the bronze. There's something about greenery and bronze and pink, and it's funny because all of my Christmas wrapping paper and like decor for wrapping is so similar to my wedding. My wedding is going to be greenery and pink and blush and nude, and that's exactly what I'm doing for Christmas. And all of the bridesmaids' dresses are going to be like that too. I'm so excited. But it's coming up real fast, and it's going to be great. We're going to have a baby. Little baby's going to be in the wedding. It's going to be wild. A baby in a tux, okay? We're going to have to do a whole series of getting into the best shape of our lives after a baby. I know it's possible. I know it. I know it will be very hard, but I know it's possible. And you know, I'm on it. Okay, anyways, before the lighting gets really bad, I'm gonna just open this. Bitch. Oh my God. These little things were at the bottom, but I got them. Okay, most of the times, ornaments don't come with these, so I'm extremely thankful. Ow, my neck actually hurts. I'm extremely thankful that these come with the little hooks. This is gonna be fun. All right, let's do a green sparkly one. So freaking cutie. I'm gonna be honest, I've had a pretty relaxing day. Did I put this on wrong? Yes. I've had a pretty relaxing day, okay? I just wanted it to be a cleaning, self-care day, and that's exactly what I had. That's the cutest thing I've ever seen. Let's do this bronzy one, okay? Cute. Okay, that's so cute. Love that. All right, also side note, I was wondering this as I put my pajamas on, because I was wearing this top earlier and then took a shower, put it back on. Very curious, how many days in a row do you wear the same pajamas? Do you just wear your pajamas once and then they're in the wash? Or do you wear them a couple of days? If you don't wear pajamas and if you wear like sweatpants, because I wear sweatpants most of the time to bed, do you wear your sweatpants only once and then immediately throw them in the wash? Things I want to know, because I'll usually wear them like for 2 nights, but sometimes I just throw them right in the wash. I know that's weird, but that's what I literally thought of when I put these on. I'm gonna finish decorating and I'll show you guys what it looks like. I am in the middle of decorating, but look at the sky now. What even is that? That looks so scary. I live for it, but that looks freaking scary. I will continue decorating while it's like sunny in here, but something tells me it's about to get real sketchy. All right, so I didn't put too many ornaments on, but I did fill some in here and there. I feel like it looks cute. I really like the color combination this year. So yeah, that's what it looks like. The presents under the tree, so cute. I can't even stand it, Puff. I really, really can't. I wanted to show you guys a couple of things. So one of Scott's coworkers, his mom, knit these 2 things for our baby. So precious. So this is a little sweater. How freaking cute. Like, how can you knit this? That's insane. So that's what it looks like. Little buttons, so adorable. And then this little baby blanket, which this is so cute. Oh my God, I'm gonna get so many pictures with him in this. Oh, Scott's calling me. But isn't that the cutest thing? It is so unbelievably cozy in here. I love it. But I just took the clothes out of the wash. So I washed the rugs and the towels. And now I'm gonna put Family Feud on. I'm going to edit this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogcember day 2. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.